that's her car, bro. The fuck with this bitch.
Damn shame, bro.
See this bitch outside, man.
Damn, what that nigga she with?
I mean, you can only get at
Man, what the fuck, bro?
Why the fuck are you not answering the phone?
I told you I was done with your bitch ass. No.
Baby, I was buying you some shoes.
Stop. No, it's no more, baby. For real.
Damn, bro, you alright, bro? What the fuck, bro?
Get your stupid ass,
Man,
bro.
come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Get up out of here with that bullshit, dog.
Fuck that dog.
What the fuck, bro? Man, I told that nigga not to fuck with that broad, dog. What the fuck is wrong with him, man?
Told you, dumbass.
Man, get your ass on. Come on, cuz. Let's go, bro.
With that bitch, bro.
Come on, man.
I told you, don't fuck with that bitch.
Damn, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Ass bitch, bro. I told you, man.
Man, what the fuck, bro? I told your ass, dog.
I'm gonna pay for everything, baby. I'm gonna pay for everything.
You always do that.
I always do that.
Lopez is not paying for everything. You are.
What you saying? I'm trying to understand
I'm
what you're saying.
saying that, you know, people be killing people, so I have to bring my friend with me. I'm good.
Who is this?
This is my best friend.
Why would you?
Say hi.
Why would you bring your best friend on a date? I thought this was just me and you. Like, I hit you up.
Yeah, I get it. It was supposed to be just me and you.
This is the reason modern men do what they do, just like it did for Lopez in the last clip.
Bro, I'm fucking on the fucking place.
Yo.
Oh, y'all just fucking
Stop.
leave me alone. Actually, y'all just fucking leave me alone, bro.
Stop.
Leave me, bro.
Stop.
Get the fuck off
I
me.
paid for all the gas.
No,
I paid
just
for
shut
all
the
the
fuck
clothes.
up.
Hey, I win.
Actually,
I win.
Stop, please,
I
please.
win. I win. I got cameras. I win. I win. I
You
win.
win.
I win.
You win.
For all the clothes, I paid for all
Stop,
the gas.
please,
I paid for all
man.
the stops. I paid
What
for
the
all the
fuck?
food. I paid for everything, dude. And you still want money for the Airbnb?
Fuck that. I win.
Explain that to me, Cody.
I win.
Explain that to
He
me.
just put hands on me.
Explain.
I put hands on you.
Give me my keys.
just
I want
put
my
hands on me. I
door
got
locked.
camera
I want my
footage.
door locked. Give me my keys. Give me my keys. You have
As always, it's all about who won or lost to modern female. Most of these ladies don't deserve you, gentlemen. Don't waste your life trying to please them, because at the end of the day, it will always be about them and nothing else.
But if she hit that window, she's broke her tooth. Crazy lady that's acting like we were trying to run into her when we were backing out. She's got a knife in her hand, screaming.
Don't rob that vehicle.
I don't know, the one by Chipotle,
Red Robin.
All that stuff. Yeah, now
assaulting.
she's kicking the car. If she comes up here and busts my window, I'm gonna punch her in the head. Now she's stabbing the car with the knife. Okay, can you please get somebody over here? She's white, but if she hits my window, there she goes again. I don't know if she's crazy. She's broke her tooth. 30s probably. I don't buy something. She's standing right here still. She just broke her tooth, smashed into the window of the car. Yeah.
Don't talk to him.
What?
Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him.
What are you talking about? Are you psycho? She just stabbed the car tire right now. Yes. She's got a white shirt. She's crazy, obviously. We were backing out. There was plenty of room for us to get out. You know, we ate in the restaurant. That's all it was. What's she doing over there?
She's stabbing my truck. I don't know why.
Now she smashed her head on the window, and I don't know what the hell. There was plenty of room for us to back out. I don't know what the problem is. Yep. No, now she's hitting him with her elbow. Is somebody gonna come over here? If not, I'm gonna get out and take care of this. Okay, well then that's all we need. Because she's got a knife in her hand. Now she's scraping the whole side of the car with the right, and she's fixing to leave. Okay, I'm gonna have to get off the phone because I gotta get her license plate.
I'll get it.
Well, unfortunately, this is the world we now live in, where the weak are preying on the strong just because they know they are protected by the system. I'm pretty sure back in the days, this woman won't even dare to attack a full-grown man in broad daylight, even if she is crazy.
Hey, come on, buddy. Let's get inside. It's cold. He's leaving. I know. He'll see you again on Saturday, remember? Not tonight. Come on, let's get you warm. Bye, Dad. I'll hold the door.
For many years, fathers have been relegated to the back when it comes to the care and access to their children. They have been adjudged guilty before proven innocent in the very court they go to seek justice. In the end, this system is not just harming fathers, but even their children. Take a listen.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wish I could take you home, okay? I love you.
You don't have permission to video me.
Yeah, I already told you it's gonna all be recorded. I love you, love. Yeah,
Let go of him.
okay? I love you.
Hi,
What were you just saying? That it just felt like no one was listening to me. And that I'd tell them over and over again that I was hiding in the bathroom and that I didn't want to go to the visits anymore, and it just escalated and escalated and escalated, and I kept on going and going, and it got to the point that things got physical, and my mom called the cops on me, and she scratched her face and said that I attacked her when I never did, even filed battery charges on me. I know. Trying to get attention to it, son.
Have you ever heard the term parental alienation? It's when one child rejects the other parent, not behaviors. I'm talking about rejects, like doesn't want to be around them. The only way that you can do that is by taking time away from the other parent, enough to brainwash them or alienate them. And usually a child gives up after about 30 days. That's the issue with this, is that we're trying to stop that problem before it starts with this bill, because by doing this, like he just said, you can take 4 months with one allegation. That's enough time to brainwash, manipulate, and alienate a child. At that point, that child is broken. You are not going, it's like shattering a glass and putting it back together with super glue. You can't make that child whole. This stops that weaponization before it starts.